Ooh, I'm gonna need some lotion. All right, family, it's that time of year again. I'm gonna need some lotion. All right, family, it is. First of all, hello and welcome to another episode of This and That. Yes, it is your boy Rosie, your soon-to-be #1 YouTube host. Family, it is currently 34 degrees in Westlake, Louisiana. Woo! It is so freaking cold that my hand soap that I keep here in the corner is freaking almost frozen, or is congealed, if you will. Woo! Yeah, baby. But your boy is headed to the gym, get me a little workout on, so I get this girlish figure back in order. So, I wanted to do an experiment this morning. Been wanting to do this one for a while. Thought I'd share it with the family, and let's see if this works. Have the Hot Logic. I have 2 of my microwave egg dishes. I've had this one for several years, probably 8, 9, 10 years. I've also had this one for almost the same amount of time. I think y'all seen this on the channel recently. This is the egg cooker holding top bong vessel, if you will. I used to take this thing to work and people always ask me, what the heck is that? Is that a bong? I'm like, yeah, I'm actually smoking something through. Anyway, so fam, what I wanted to do today, I wanted to test and see if I can cook an egg in the Hot Logic in one of these vessels. So we're going to put an egg in each one of these. Going to the gym, I usually work out about an hour, as you can tell. Boom, boom. So probably would take about 4 or 5 hours a day to get this in shape, but that's neither here nor there. All right, family. In a recent video, y'all probably saw me drop some eggs and break, 3 out of 4 eggs. I mentioned my hard case. So with that incident, I had to go back to my hard case. This one, if you drop the egg, it will still break, but it will still be contained and it won't fall out. But anyway, fam, so what we're going to do is, you know what I should have done? I should have went ahead and fired up the Hot Logic already. All right, fam, I already had 1 cracked egg, so still fresh. So we're gonna go ahead and put this one in here. And we're not seasoning it or anything. This is strictly for experiment purposes. I wanna see if that egg will cook in this vessel. I'm gonna put the lid on, and if the lid's too tall, fam, I'm just gonna turn the lid upside down. This one is probably gonna be my better option. It's clear, it's thinner, it's made out of kind of a plastic material. I think it'll get heat, it'll cook faster, so this is probably gonna be my better option, but we'll see. Level. That's level. Alright. I don't know why that's not level. Let's stick something underneath that, fam. This thing doesn't seem to be level. Maybe when I push the drawer back in. That's better. Alright, fam. Let's go ahead and zip this thing up. We're going to head to the gym, like I said. It's going to take me about an hour to get my workout on. With travel time, the gym's 5 minutes up the road. Travel time, me messing around, probably get us about an hour and a half, and we'll come back and check these eggs and see if either one of them cooked in these microwavable egg cookers. All right, family, I think this will be a cool little experiment for those of y'all who are fans of the Hot Logic and portable ovens. I think that'll be a cool little experiment. Get yourself a quick morning breakfast. If this works, then we're gonna come back and we're gonna add things like cheese. For the next experiment, we'll add cheese, we'll add baby spinach, whatever, onions, mushrooms. And if this works, it could be a game changer. All right, family, I'll see y'all. For me, it'll be about an hour and a half. For y'all, it'll be a few seconds. All right, fam. Things got a little crowded since I went in the gym this morning about an hour ago. They are having a free throw contest. I think it's ages 10 to 12 and 12 to 14. And that should be interesting. I saw a little girl in there that looked like about 14 years old, and she was at least 6 foot tall. But that's neither here nor there. All right, family, I went in and I got my hour workout. I worked chest. I did an incline bench press machine. We did shoulder work. We did a bit of ab work. We tried to get it all in. Monday is a holiday, so it won't be open on Monday. Normally I work out Monday through Fridays, today being a Saturday, so I decided to go ahead and get my workout in so I would not miss that day. So we can start fresh Tuesday, still get our 4 to 5 days per weekend. All right, family, with that being said, let's get to the business at hand. This has been cooking. Those eggs have been cooking in the Hot Logic now for about an hour and a half. I didn't want to wait. I didn't want to change locations. I'm still in the gym parking lot. So let's see what they look like. All right, fam, this is the clear one that I thought would have cooked the most thoroughly. Check that out, fam. Not bad. See, it appears that that yolk is still not cooked, but it is. There's just a little bit of condensation there, but in actuality, that's pretty much, look, there's no movement. That's almost cooked all the way through. Not bad. All right, fam. Now let's look at this one. It's not as pretty by any means, but I think it's almost cooked all the way through as well. That one is it has a little bit to be desired, but it got the job done. But I would leave that one in for another, say, 20 to 30 minutes. This one, and I don't know if due to the fact that there's a hole there and it's vented. Y'all excuse the noise, I'm on a busy highway. I should have actually moved away from here, but I was too freaking anxious to see if this would work. Hold up, fam, let's move away from this road and let's pick this up in a few minutes. All right, fam, I apologize. I was just so anxious to see if this had worked or not. I started recording next to the highway, our main road in Westlake, and I shouldn't have done that. So I'll either delete that footage, speed it up, whatever the case may be. But technically, basically, let's start over. All right, fam. These are the 2 vessels, the microwavable dishes that we were using to see if they would cook eggs. And then we can take this experiment and build upon it. Now, I already showed y'all maybe I deleted that footage. This one with the clear cover and the plastic bottom is perfect. I haven't done a taste test yet, but that's an hour and a half of cooking. And fam, check that out. It looks spectacular. That's a perfect egg, y'all. Put a little salt and pepper on that and she's ready to go. This one has a little bit to be desired. Now, it looks like it might have been a little bit off center. It wasn't in there correctly, but so it's not pretty. And I had to take this and turn it upside down because it was too tall for the Hot Logic. I think it's pretty much cooked all the way through. There's a little bit of liquid there. It almost looks like water, though. It doesn't look like egg yolk. So I would, and then like I said in the previous portion where I tried to film next to the road, they make a double. If I can't find my double, I'm going to Walmart and see if they have the double. That would make the perfect freaking egg. And like I said, we're gonna take this experiment and we're gonna build on it. Now, next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add some not lettuce, we're gonna add some baby spinach, we're gonna add some maybe pico de gallo, we're gonna add cheese. And if that can cook the perfect egg omelet, whatever you wanna call it, say within an hour, hour and a half while you're traveling. Now, I would actually, if I'm traveling, I would actually let that egg harden up and get started 10, 15 minutes before I hit the road. Because I don't know if you want it jostling around, or it's probably gonna come out looking like this fella right here. That's probably gonna be a little warm, but it's probably gonna come out looking like that fella right there. But this fella right here, fam, that is gorgeous. That's a pretty egg. That's Miss America type stuff right there, y'all. I don't know if that egg female or male, but female, I guess. Yeah, egg. Yeah, female. Anyway, fam, that's an awesome looking egg. Matter of fact, we're gonna put some salt and pepper on each one of those and see what we're working with. Stay tuned. Family, I simply love these little experiments. I know my channel is unusual. I know what we do here is unusual, but that's unusual. Salt and pepper. And I probably should have salt and peppered these when I put them in, but like I said, this is an experiment. If I had some cheese right now, matter of fact, let's go and cut that Hot Logic off. We don't need it on anymore. All right, fam. This is the unpretty one in the porcelain, if you will. Or what they call it, ramekin. In the ramekin style egg cooker, microwave. Let's see what we're working with. All right, fam, that's the yolk. Almost, this is how I like an egg. That yolk is 90% cooked, 95% cooked. I love it. It's up to temperature. It has to be, it's cooked. Not bad. All right, fam. Let's get to Miss America. Now, if you're not familiar with this type of microwavable egg cooker, has a leg here, leg here. This one goes in like so, under like that, boom. Kind of locks itself in, folds closed. Clear, you can see what's happening in there. I love this thing. Kind of got caught up with this one because it was unique, but I think this is the most practical. All right, fam. Pull that yolk, fully cooked yolk, perfectly shaped. I don't love yolk, but I eat it. All right, fam, that could have used another 15 minutes. It's soft. I can eat it this way. Lady Red, never. A lot of y'all had commented in the comment section, you like your egg hard cooked, whether it's boiled, fried, fricasseed, or otherwise. This for me, perfect. All right, fam. In the upcoming video, we're gonna see if we find the double microwavable egg cooker. I don't know what kind of material this is, some kind of hard plastic. We're gonna see if we find this and do a double, and we're gonna do the whole thing where we add all the mushrooms, we add the baby spinach, we add the cheese, and we're gonna ride around, do our daily chores or whatever, and give it about 2 hours and see if we get the perfect Hot Logic vessel egg, if that's what you wanna call it. All right, family, so we're gonna go ahead and bring this one in for a landing. Your boy is tired, sore from my workout, but it's a good way to get my breakfast, my post-workout breakfast, if you will. That might be a good title for this video. Hot Logic post-workout omelet. Ah, y'all feeling where I'm going? All right, fam. If y'all enjoyed this video, y'all know what to do. Give your boy a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing. And if you do subscribe, hit the notification bell so you be notified every time we drop one of these awesome videos. It's your boy Rosie. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.